Good morning, my name's Gary Bartlett and I'm your personal estate agent. So today we are in an absolutely stunning location. We're in Lower Halstow and I've got a lovely property to show you today. I'll meet you there. So this property behind me is today's featured property. As you can see, it occupies a perfect spot in a no-through road, but let's pop in and have a look. Well, thank you for watching today. If you would like to arrange a viewing, you know the number 07834 9 77728. I'll speak to you soon.